Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Breakup app. We are really excited to share this product with you. I could start off by sharing statistics. For example, loneliness studies that have been done saying that 1 in 4 adults feel lonely, or breakup studies that show that 40% of people experience clinical depression after a breakup. But instead, what I want to do is have you close your eyes and imagine your worst heartbreak. Maybe they left you, maybe you felt rejected, hurt, alone. What did you need at that time? Was it comfort, a friend to give advice, someone to listen? I want to share with you our solution, which is the Breakup app and what we're building. It's your ultimate breakup companion. It's an app to help people who have just left a relationship to go no contact, receive community support, and chat with an AI friend. Here's what it looks like.
Thanks, Sophia. So for the user interface, we wanted to choose colors that felt calming but stood out at the same time. We chose a cool tone green and deep black-blue color for the primary colors, getting inspiration from the iMessage bubble when you heart a message. We went for bright pink and light blue accent colors. We continued this theme of the iMessage heart for the logo, but of course using a broken heart. I'll now show the two main features. So based on user interviews, one of the major needs was having an accountability tool for tracking whether they've contacted an ex. Thus, the first major feature of the app is a no contact counter. We decided to start this flow from a widget on the person's home screen. Once they click, they'll be taken to the tracker page to view the contact streak and calendar. The user can submit their daily check-in from this page, which will then take them to the app's homepage. After they select no, they can either click on the calendar icon in the top or in the bottom navigation bar, which will automatically be updated. Our second main feature is the AI chatbot, which we've called Breakup Chat. Here, the user can view the different types of AI tones they can select from depending on the type of support they need. Right now, you can see two options, an empathetic and comforting companion, which we named Serenity, and a direct motivating coach, which is coming soon. Once the user clicks on Serenity, it shows more about her profile and the type of support she can offer. The user is then brought into the chat. At the top, we have a quick disclaimer that the chatbot is not able to handle crisis situations, and Serenity will begin the chat and the user can engage in a back and forth conversation. I'll now hand it over to Charles to talk about his learnings.
Thanks, Alexa. My biggest learnings are about the definition of done and native controls. The definition of done is so important, and it's so important to have flexibility in that. And so we can adjust different iterations and designs, but also to get really specific about what those designs are so that we can really nail exactly what Alexa is making. That's it for me. Josh?
So out of my key learnings, my biggest takeaway was the asynchronous work. Most of my projects have always been done just by myself. So learning how to navigate my code and make sure that I'm not having my code cause any issues with my partner's code was really important. And then also the cross-functional collaboration of just seeing what other team members might be bring to the table. And then I'll pass it off to Alexa.
For me, one of my learnings was flexibility with design ideas, and another is communication is the key to success. Being able to articulate user findings, why they're important to design decisions, strategizing on why certain design assets are important from a UX perspective, and the handover from design to development has been a huge learning for me. And lastly, we have Sophia.
Thank you. So one of my biggest learnings is related to just making sure that the features that users really want and that show up in the user interviews and the desires are reflected in what we're building. And so in this case, it was balancing the emotional support need with the practical solutions that we have. We really want to thank you for joining our presentation today. Thank you so much, and we'll see you later.